The reason I'm here, and I think the reason everyone is here, is because they want to see a stronger society, a society with less hate, a society where we're actually eradicating all of those old mythologies.
There are a lot of people who are coming in saying, hey, like, there are these issues that I care about, but I didn't really know where to start.
It's been super awesome. Like the first day, we kind of got to hear from a lot of different community members, and we got to hear, what they're really facing in the community and what are kind of those things that they care about and want to change.
The one thing that struck me when I walked in was just the amazing energy that the code switch community had.
I really think it's important for everybody who is a part of the community thinking that, hey, I can contribute something to solving that problem.
It was really cool to be connected with real-world problems. Sometimes it's, you don't have these applications directly there at your hand, so to hear so intimately what people need.
Code Switch is this fantastic gathering of all kinds of people from all kinds of backgrounds, be it socioeconomic, race, age.
The commingling of the folks with the background and those lived experiences and some other folks with technology experiences.
It's really aimed at leveraging public data to create change.
Code Switch is one of the hackathons that I find has been sort of the most inclusive of all the hackathons. It brings people from all backgrounds.
You had young, you had old, you had black, white, you had Latino. It was a palette of people.
It's been amazing to see complete strangers come together to work toward a solution.
It centers the experiences of people of color, which I think is something that most hackathons do not do.
I see a lot of diverse folks from technology and a lot of blacks in tech, which is cool, but I see a lot of people from the mainstream community who see this as an important part of their work too.
I wanted to come out and represent Ramsey County and be in this space and engage with our residents.
Having public officials come in, both at the city and the county level, saying, hey, like, here are issues that we have, and we're wondering what technology can do to help us essentially try to resolve these issues.
It's really cool to think about using technology and software and things like that for good.
One really important thing is helping people understand the importance of data and how data is used in our everyday lives.
Ramsey County was really excited to coincide our opening of the data portal with this event.
I think the Twin Cities is an area that has been known for innovation, been known for looking at ways to find creative solutions to problems.
I think that one thing that we can do in the Twin Cities to improve inclusion and disrupt inequity is just make sure to look around to see who is not in the room, who is missing, and figure out why they are not here, and figure out ways to get them here.
We have to find new ways to talk about old problems.
And we can disrupt inequity. It does not have to be a permanent part of our society.
We hear a lot about what's dividing all of us, and so I think it's really important for all of us to come together and realize, one, we all live in the same place, and two, we're all passionately motivated to build a better community for all of us together.
Our community has to be indivisible, it has to be inclusive, and it has to make sure that all points of view are brought together at a common spot.
Having more of these events, we can have these great celebrations of the diversity of the places that are right around us.
We must take an active, vigorous, innovative approach to find ways to bring people together so that they can address problems that affect us all. Climate, economy, housing, health. We need to work together to resolve these problems or we're all going to perish like fools.
Anybody can be a participant in Code Switch. You don't have to just be a technologist. And so I challenge everybody who wants to be a part of this, come out, spend the weekend with us, and your life will be changed.